Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to add a button in Mailchimp. First, navigate to your email campaign within Mailchimp. Once there, locate the content blocks on the right-hand side. Simply click and drag the button content block directly into your email layout. You can place it anywhere you desire, ensuring it fits seamlessly with your design. Next, let's customize your button's content. Double-click the button block to open its editing pane. Here, you will type the text that appears on your button, like Learn More or Shop Now. Then, choose the link type from the drop-down menu. Options include a web address, an email, a phone number, or a file. Finally, paste the complete URL or enter the appropriate contact details. Now, let's make your button visually appealing. In the Style tab of the editing pane, you can change the button's background color and the text color to match your brand. You can also adjust the font, its size, and the text alignment. Experiment with border styles, corner rounding, and padding to create a polished and inviting call to action. Once you are satisfied with your button's design and content, remember to click Save and Close to apply all your changes. Before sending, always preview your email to confirm the button appears as expected across different devices. Most importantly, click the button yourself to test that the link correctly directs to its intended destination, ensuring a smooth user experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.